Dairy farming offers a lot of really unique opportunities. Every day is different, every season is different. You get to work with animals, which it's just very rewarding to see that baby calf born, see it grow up, and see it become a very productive member of your herd. We created the Dairy Herd Management Apprenticeship Program in 2023 to answer a need across our dairy industry. Dairy farmers are continually challenged to find that competent workforce. And there are more and more opportunities for non-farm kids to find employment on a dairy farm.
I didn't grow up with a dairy background. In high school, I took an ag class and I was involved in the FFA, learning more about the agriculture industry and how important it is in the world every single day to every single person is just really intriguing. I first heard about the Dairy Herd Manager Apprenticeship through CareerLink. They had just found out about this apprenticeship program and I was like, that's perfect, like that's exactly what I want to do.
We were looking for help and she came and I knew the day she walked in the door she was going to stay. I'm very particular. When Rylee started here, I could see where she would do it the way I wanted it done. She had the interest and she really wanted to work and learn.
90% of my time, I would say, is in this barn behind us. I spend a lot of time milking and interacting with the cows. So usually during the week, I work the afternoon shift. We milk 3 times a day. It's really important that you're able to do one task completely and wholly before you learn to do another task, because skipping any parts in the dairy industry can cause a major issue. So when I first started at the parlor, Cindy helped me. I milked one side, she milked the other side, and someone got me cows. And then as time went on, I was able to do the milking, go get my cows.
Then we kind of moved up that I put her in charge of our setup program to breed her cows. And then I moved her into the vaccines, and eventually she started taking over things that I did, which was a big thing because then that left me to do other things.
The Dairy Herd Manager Apprenticeship is 3,000 hours of on-the-job training along with related technical instruction. Our program manager serves as the mentor to the apprentice, so we make visits to the apprentice and to the farm to make sure the process is going along smoothly.
I do a couple of online courses through Penn State, watch webinars. So I'm going to all these workshops, being able to learn college-level information, expand my knowledge, and I get paid to be here and learn at the same time.
Pennsylvania is the only state to offer the Dairy Herd Manager Apprenticeship. We actually created this program with farmer input. We've tried to build a program that will work alongside of what your goals are as a farmer.
You get so much hands-on experience. You get so much time in the barn. I've been able to network with so many people in the industry, not other herd managers, nutritionists, agronomists, all kinds of people. But for me, it allowed me to stay close to home, keep those connections while also working and doing something I love doing.
I think the dairy apprenticeships has worked well. It's probably exceeded what we expected from it, really.
Well, number one, we're proud of Rylee. We're so glad to have her. She is like a daughter that we never had. I must say that Rylee was probably the most interested, energetic employee that we've had.
We would strongly encourage other organizations to look at apprenticeships. Finding those qualified workers is now harder than ever. An apprenticeship gives that young person the opportunity to grow into a role that might have taken 15 years of experience otherwise.
You are part of something so much bigger than yourself, and it just feels so rewarding when you come. You treated a sick cow last night and you came and she's better. I don't imagine myself doing anything else, like I really couldn't, but I feel confident that no matter what I do, when I do it next, that there is something great waiting for me. Agriculture is present in everyone's life. It's powerful to be able to be part of an industry that is so important to everyone.